In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GTD dashboard in Notion, a powerful tool that helps organize tasks using the Getting Things Done methodology. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Notion's website. If you don't have a Notion account yet, go ahead and sign up. Otherwise, click on the Log In button to get started. Once you're on the login page, you have the option to sign in using Google, which is a quick and secure way to access your account. Click on the Google option and select your Google account from the list. After logging in, you'll find yourself on Notion's main interface, which is where all the magic happens. The next step is to access Notion's template marketplace, a fantastic place to find pre-designed setups for a wide variety of uses. Look around for the marketplace link, which you'll find on the left side menu. Once there, use the search bar and type in GTD to locate a suitable template to build your dashboard around. This template will provide a great starting point and can save you a lot of setup time. Click on the GTD template in the search results, and once you're on the templates page, look for the Add button. By clicking on Add, the template will be imported into your Notion workspace, ready for you to customize. After adding the template, you'll want to click on See Template to understand its layout and functionalities. When you open the template, you'll see different sections such as the inbox, which is essentially the main catch-all for all your tasks and ideas. This is where you can create new tasks. To do so, click on New and type in the name of your task. Be sure to set a due date so that the task appears on your calendar, keeping your schedule organized. With your task created, fill in any additional details like its priority and if it's work-related or personal. These fields will help sort tasks based on different categories, making your dashboard much more personalized and efficient. Once you've set up your tasks, explore the dashboard's various tabs or menus. Tasks will automatically relocate to these pages based on their status. For more organization, familiarizing yourself with the projects and inbox sections is key. Clicking on Projects allows review and management of ongoing projects, and the inbox is your go-to for new entries. Lastly, once tasks are marked with statuses like Next Action, they will move to the corresponding page, ensuring they aren't overlooked. You'll also appreciate how tasks show up on your calendar according to their due dates, providing a visual timeline of your responsibilities and deadlines. This integration keeps everything visible at a glance, improving your task management efficiency. And there you have it. You now know how to create and customize a GTD dashboard in Notion, transforming your workflow into something more structured and productivity friendly.